Guys, today we are back with another problem, and today's problem is finding the missing value in an array. Okay, so this is a very common problem and very easy problem. I don't know why GFG have given this today, but still it is a good problem because it requires a small mathematical formula. So you know that it is saying that given an array, so this is our array. Say for example, this is our array, and the size of the array is n minus 1. The size of the present array is n minus 1, that contains distinct integers in the range of 1 to n. 1 to n. So this is our start value, okay, and this is our end value, okay. The array is the permutation of the size n with one element missing. Return the missing element. Say for example, we have 5 and we have 1, 2, 3 and 5. We have a missing element as 4. We have a missing element as 4. But how we are going to find the missing elements? How we are going to find the missing elements? So I will be writing the algorithm in small steps so that you can make an understanding of it. So you know that in an arithmetic progression, AP series, we have learned about the term AP series, arithmetic progression. The sum of n terms, we can say this, the sum of the terms is equals to first term plus last term, we can say n term by 2, and we can say over here the last term n plus, okay. And in our case, n is n and the first term is 1 plus the last term is n by 2, okay. So I can write sum is equals to 2n 2n 2 into n into 1 plus n, okay. Or I can just write n into 1 plus n by 2, okay. So yeah, that's it. So when I'm trying to solve this particular problem statement, what I'm taking is the expected length plus 1, because one element is missing, so obviously we have that element, so it will become length plus 1. And the expected term is z, so expected term is z is nothing but the total number of values n into n plus 1 by 2, okay, n into n plus 1 by 2. So what I have written over here, I have to just use the multiplication sign, n into n plus 1 by 2. So I can write, I don't have to actually write this, okay. So this is a very simple problem, and after that I have to iterate through it. I'm creating an actual sum, so this is my actual sum, and for that, in that actual sum, so expected sum minus actual sum will give me the return of the missing element. So if I submit this particular problem, so yeah, we have successfully completed the today's problem statement, and we are looking forward to solve more videos. Thank you so much, and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.